Hey, welcome back to the Lee Writing Services YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start a screenplay with a black screen. Normally, a screenplay will start with fade in, and then it'll jump to the first slug line, which will be interior or exterior, and then whatever the scene is. However, there's certain times when you might want to start your screenplay with a totally black screen and then have a character do a voiceover over that screen. You know, we've seen this before in some movies. So the question is, how do you write that? Do you do exterior black screen, interior black screen? How do you start the screenplay? Well, I'll show you now. Basically, you won't be using fade in or interior exterior. You won't be using any slug lines yet. Basically what you do, you start with a command called over black, like that. Sometimes you can put a colon. Final Draft spaces it for you. They put it in the transition side. You can use it on the left side too. But if you do over black colon with Final Draft, it'll push it over to the right. Either way is fine. Don't get too preoccupied with whether it's on the right side or left side. Either one's fine. Over black, okay. So you do that, and then you do the character, whoever it's going to be. I haven't made one. Yeah, I'll just put Bob. Parentheses voiceover VO. Now I have to think of a clever voiceover. The darkness consumed Todd's brain. Totally random. I don't know where that came from. Now he is possessed with evil. Because, you know, black screens are usually like, you know, gothic and, you know, horror oriented. But not always, but usually they are. Or a mysterious movie if you're writing a mystery. Alright, so darkness, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's say that's my voiceover. So over black, voiceover. Now, what do you do next? Well, then you can do the fade in. That can go, again, on either side. Yeah, it'll space it there. Although, usually when you do this with an over black and then voiceover, you'll want to use fade in on the transition side. I would feel more comfortable doing it there, although either one's fine. Because here's the thing, if you have over black on the right side, you'll probably want fade in on the left side, and vice versa. So if you have over black on the left side, then do fade in on the right side. So actually I'll switch this back to fade in. But again, you know, don't get too preoccupied with which margin. The producer or whoever reads the script's going to understand that. So fade in, and then you go to the slug line. Exterior, the woods, day. And there you go. That's how you start a screenplay with a black screen. Over black, there's the voiceover, fade in, slug line, and then you start your action. This is the action. Okay? So it's that simple. Don't get too carried away with, again, margins. And just use over black to indicate the black screen. You don't have to do, you know, end of black screen or anything like that. They'll know. As soon as you go to the fade in, they'll know because you're fading in from the black screen. And then you're going to the new scene. So whoever reads this is going to understand that. You don't have to put end of anything. So that's it. Okay? Subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.